morning, everyone. It's beach day, so Kurt and I are going to be spending the day on the beach, and we're looking forward to it. We got everything lined up. We're at the gas station right now filling up the Jeep because we're running on fumes. The beach. We're sitting on one of these chairs, which is really nice. The old bird hanging out.
Oh, look at those. Look over there.
Ooh, yeah. Look at those ones flying by.
That's a pelican.
Yeah, it is pelican.
Yep. They're looking.
There's some more. They're just looking around for some food. Our little slice of beach today. Mr. Pelican out there. Look, Luke, it's a pelican. There he goes.
There he goes.
Ooh. There's the parasailer. Ooh, where's his boat? There's the boat. There they are. Oh, looks like kind of fun, doesn't it? Back down on the beach.
Yeah.
Ooh.
No.
Hey, did you like and subscribe to the video? Great!